of the day. My name is Bhavna Dangi. I am 14 years old and I come from a vibrant town, Khatima. The story of Mahatma Gandhi of a man. It is the story of ideas that profoundly changes the course of history. Today we gather here not to remember his name but to reignite his ideas in our heart as timeless as his legacy. Born into a very simple household, Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi did not carry the aura of a hero in his youth. But beneath the exterior of a shy and unaware boy, who knows, there was a revolutionary spirit. Mahatma Gandhi was not just the leader of masses, he was the soul of India's independence movement. What made him extraordinary was not his wealth, weapon or power, but his unyielding belief in truth, non-violence and justice. In a world fractured by hatred or violence, Gandhiji dared to build a better future. A future made by Satyagraha, the force of truth. Consider this. At a time when people believed that the strength lay in swords, he wielded the weapon of peace. He stood against the British Empire, an empire on which the sun never set, and brought them to his knees without firing a single bullet. His salt march of 240 miles wasn't just a protest. It was a statement that no man can oppress the power of united peoples. But Gandhiji's values go far beyond the war of independence. His principles of equality, simplicity and services are a call for all of us humanity. He reminded us that the weakest in the society deserves dignity and respect. And he said that the true leadership lies in servicing them, not about ruling over them. In his personal life, Gandhiji exemplified discipline and humility. He believed in what he preached. That's why his words carry a lot of weight. Not because they were eloquent, but because they were lived. And yet, Gandhiji was not perfect. He admitted his flaws openly and sought to learn from them. This humility, this willingness to grow is the greatest part of his greatness. Now, some would say to me, why I am talking about Gandhiji? Gandhiji's time has passed, and what relevance do this topic have now? To them, I would say, look around the world. A world plagued by the division of races, religion and ideology. Don't we need his message of unity? And in a time when materialism consumes us, don't we need his lesson of simplicity? And when the violence scar our planet, don't we need the lesson that the greatest strength lies in non-violence? Gandhiji's legacy is not just etched in our history books, but in our mind, in our heart and in our movements, and that voice that dares to speak truth. As I conclude, let me leave with a famous quote by Gandhiji himself, that you may never know what result you will get, but if you do no actions, there will be no result. The man of honesty and the man of greatness. The man of honesty and the man of greatness. He is our Mahatma, the father of our nation, the father of our nation. Born in a family of cultured background. Born in a family of cultured background. Grown in a circle of loving parents. Grown in a circle of loving parents. Truthful, honest and simple, of body so frail yet nimble, of body so frail yet nimble. With a heart so big and true, with given gifts to few, with given gifts to few. Made many mistakes and realized his faults, made many mistakes and realized his faults. He is our Mahatma, he is our Mahatma. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.